In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify products not showing up in collections page. If a product is live on your store but missing from a collection, it usually comes down to how the product is set up or how the collection is configured. We'll walk through the admin in a logical order so you can find the mismatch quickly and get your items showing where they should. First, go to Shopify.com and sign into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. Once you're in, give the storefront a quick refresh in another tab so you can compare what you change in the admin with what you see on the site. If you made recent edits, remember Shopify may need a brief moment to re-index, so don't worry if changes don't appear instantly. Next, click on Products in the admin sidebar, find the product that's missing from your collection, open it and confirm the status is set to active. Then check the sales channel availability and ensure the product is available to your online store. If your theme hides sold out items, look at inventory. Either make sure there's stock available or enable continue selling when out of stock, if that fits your policy. While you're here, review details that collections often use for rules like tags, product type, vendor, and price. If your collection filters by a tag or type, the product needs to match that exactly. Spelling and capitalization matter. After making adjustments, save your changes so Shopify can update the product across your store. Now click on Collections in the admin. Open the collection where the product should appear. At the top, check whether it's a manual or automated collection. For manual collections, the collection only shows products you specifically include, so confirm this product is part of the list. For automated collections, review the conditions carefully. Look for common mismatches like missing tags, the wrong product type, or price ranges that exclude your item. If there are multiple conditions, verify whether the collection uses all conditions or any conditions, as that changes how strict the filter is. Also confirm the collection itself is available to the online store and not saved as a draft. Save any changes, then refresh your storefront tab to see the result. If the product still doesn't appear, wait a minute and refresh again, as indexing may be catching up. Clearing your browser cache or checking in a private window can also rule out local caching. That's it. By starting at products and finishing in collections, you'll align the product details with the collection rules and get your items showing up correctly.